Welcome my viewers and subscribers. In this video, I'm going to teach us how to correct water drips on walls and ceiling. If today is your first time watching our YouTube videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and don't forget to click on the notification button. Ring the bell so that you will be notified each time we upload a new video. If you have encountered these kind of challenges as a painter, after watching this video, I believe you won't suffer from these challenges again. All you need to do for me, just share this video so that other painters will learn from it and YouTube will recommend it to other painters. The first thing you need to do is to assess the level of damage to determine the source. It could be water or burning. Assess the damage, screed and maintain if necessary. Remember, screeding alone cannot stop it. The next thing to do is to apply good quality or high quality primer designed for drywall, which will help the paint to adhere and improves the surface finish. But when you don't have access to primer, you can use gloss paint or oil paint to prime it first. I mean, use oil paint to coat the surface first. It's not a must that the oil paint will cover it very well, but make sure that the oil paint just went through over the wall or ceiling. But due to high cost of gloss paint or wall primer, I have fashioned another method, and I will be dropping the formulation to my YouTube family members on the decorative plans. But if you are not comfortable joining the platform, you can chat me on WhatsApp with these numbers: +234 8039316369 or +234 8103871493. When you must have applied, then let's continue with the training. When you must have applied these primers, the next thing is to paint it over with the desired paint of your choice, and this will bring the challenge to an end. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. If you have learned new thing today, please help me share this video so that others will benefit from it. You can share it in any painters WhatsApp groups or on Facebook too. Thanks for watching.
Aja.